electrochemical cell. Electrochemical cell, a device, is used to convert chemical energy produced in a redox reaction into electrical energy. It is called as a electrochemical cell or simply chemical cell. These are also called as galvanic cell or simply a voltaic cell. In electrochemical cell, there are two types of reaction are take place. That is, redox reactions are take place. Redox means reduction and oxidation reactions. Reduction means gain of electron, while oxidation means loss of electron. An electrochemical cell is composed to two components or half cells, each composed of an electrode deep in solution of electrolyte. These half cells are designed to contain the oxidation half cell reaction and reduction half cell reaction separately as shown in figure. In figure, zinc rod is deep into zinc sulfate solution. This half cell is called an oxidation half cell, while in reduction half cell, copper rod deep into copper sulfate solution. The half cell called an anode is the site at which the oxidation of zinc occurs, as given below. Zinc solid can convert into zinc plus 2 ion and 2 electrons. During this oxidation of zinc, zinc electrodes will slowly dissolve to produce in zinc ions, which enter into the solution containing Zn plus 2 and SO4 minus 2 ions. The half cell called cathode is the site at which reduction of copper electrode is take place, as shown below. Copper plus 2 ion plus 2 electron produce copper atom. When the reduction of copper ions occurs, copper atom accumulated on the surface of solid copper electrode. Now we will discuss about salt bridge, the reaction in which each half cell does not occur unless the two half cells are connected to each other. Salt bridge is a U-shaped glass tube containing electrolyte such as KCl, KNO3, etc. It is acted bridge by connecting two half cells. It helps in to completing the electric circuit to prevent mixing of solutions of two half cells to help maintain electric neutrality. The electrochemical cell produced by salt bridge is shown in figure, in which zinc electrode and copper electrodes are connected to each other by a salt bridge. Now, second type of cell is electrolytic cell. It is a device to convert electrical energy into chemical energy. An electrolytic cell is an electrochemical cell in which the energy from an applied voltage is used to derive an otherwise non-continuous reaction. Such a cell could be produced by applying a reverse voltage to voltaic cell like the Daniell cell. The reaction in Daniell cell is shown in figure.